Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can remove background of your video of any color using CapCut. So if you want, if you have a background like you have white background, black background or you have green background, you can remove it on your CapCut app easily if you have any color. For that, just you have to click on your video in your CapCut account or CapCut app, slide down and you will get an option called remove background. Click on this remove background. Now you have three options: auto removal, custom removal and chroma key. For any color you want to remove, you will select chroma key. After selecting chroma key, now select color that you want to remove. Here you can see, as I will slide this circle to black color. Now you can see the back color from my video has been removed. You can increase its intensity or decrease according to your choice. You can select any intensity here. Here you can see the back color from my video has been removed. Now I will play with my video, and here you can see there is no black color. I will go ahead, and here you can see all the back black color has been removed. So this is the way how you can remove any color from your video using CapCut.